Wow, 9 greeting card kits to choose from? I'm so excited. Let's look inside each of the bags so you can decide which one to buy. Hi everyone, it's Erlene of Erlene Garcia Art. Today I will be sharing with you 9 card kits that I handpicked each of the elements, so each card that you design will look coordinated and professional. I put these together to boost your creativity, and you can also use what you already have on hand at home and mix it with these elements. They all match. All you need to do is add family pictures, fun pictures, vintage pictures. Sky's the limit. Oh wow, those little dragonflies are so cute. I love this collection. It's filled with so many card adornments. Just look at that. And flowers in different types. Leopard, 3D, puffy stickers. There's an owl and a tree, and they're made out of felt. And look at that fancy leaf. That is super cool. And then there's a little frame and extra cardstock and 5 blank cards. Sometimes when I create cards and I have leftover pieces, I like to decorate the packaging or even the gift bag with different elements so it all coordinates together. You can even take a little brown paper bag with handles and decorate with all of these elements, and you will have a one-of-a-kind gift bag and card. I know in the past when I was teaching people how to create their greeting cards, they would ask me, where do I begin? I don't know what to buy. I get so confused when I walk in the large craft store. Okay, that's why I put everything together in a very easy, simple kit. The reason I put these together is so you don't have to be overwhelmed when you want to make 1 card or even 5 cards to get started, to see if this is what you want to do, if you want to go down the path of designing your own cards. This is the best way to do it. You can be any age and any creativity level. I love this. You don't even have to be an artist to put these together. You just need your imagination. Sit down with all of the pretty colors that blend nicely together, and bam, just get started. So each of these kits, they all contain different colors that could be designed into any special occasion. And also, I can't wait for you guys to see the ones that I did with a mom who is expecting, or weddings. I was trying to think out of the box and try to prepare everyone for any situation. So in all of the packages, you do get a celebration cake, you get a celebration hat, you get celebration balloons, flowers, the 5 blank cards, coordinating cardstock and papers, extra stickers. I'm sure once you mix this with everything that you have at home, it's going to look amazing. What I like about these kits is that they're great to give as a gift as well for that budding artist in your life, or for that someone who says, you know what, I think about doing a new craft. Well, why not? This is the best gift to give. So this is the first of many kits that I will be putting together. I wanted to start out with 5 that were colorful for any occasion. I wanted to try maybe 3 that were wedding and 1 for expecting parents. So when you show up at one of those special celebrations with your gift and an original card, even the card is just the gift itself. You can put the card in a frame, and that will be an original piece of art from you for them, and they can enjoy it for years to come. I remember a long time ago when I was in a really cool art gallery, I was selling all different types of art, and I would try to make sure that someone would purchase a greeting card to go along with the piece that they were buying. And one day a lady comes up to me and she says, you know what, my son loves your art, but we really can't afford it. So what I did is I bought 6 of your greeting cards and I put them in a frame, and that was his birthday present. And oh my gosh, that really touched me. I never forgot her. I never forgot that story. It meant a lot to me. And it goes to show you, even the card, people really appreciate cards. Cards are considered a lost art now because everybody sends like an e-card. So take the time, make something really precious to someone, and they will admire it for years to come, like I said. Wow, look at that image. Anyone would love to receive that. And look, you can use those letters for any other occasion. Sky's the limit. Like I say, think out of the box. There are so many sentiments and stickers in this collection that you could make even more than 5 cards. You can just cross them over to other occasions. Oh wow, look at this one. I love the wedding collection. Now there's 3 of them, so each one on my Etsy shop will have a different name. But look what you get. There's so many cool things. The little sets of the wedding cake, the violin, or is that a harp? I don't know my instruments, but anyway, you can get so many out of that. And look at those. Oh my gosh. Those glittery stickers are on both sides and definitely can use them for anything. Oh, look at that 3D cake and little veil and and the groom. And there's 3 bow ties. So that shows that you can make the groomsmen too. I mean, there's so many things that you could make. And then the beautiful pastel cards. And you could even run a ribbon through that top white one with the little holes in it. I mean, just so much. I'm loving this kit. I'm watching this again along with you guys as I usually do. And I'm getting excited all over again about all these fun pieces. And I'm thinking, maybe I should have kept those. I just love paper supplies, just like you guys, or you wouldn't be watching this with me. I feel like this would be an amazing set to do like an anniversary with like a vintage picture of your grandparents. This could even start a whole new chapter of design for you. Once you start creating amazing cards, people are going to want you to design for them. And before you know it, you'll be selling to them and little boutiques like I do. That's where it all gets started. So please keep in mind that I do only have 9 card kits, and each one will have exactly what I am showing you on the video today. And I will be coming out with more as soon as I can. I was just so excited to put these together for you guys that I just wanted to film it and show you and just get everybody pumped like I'm pumped. So the new ones that I will be coming out with will be in the same categories: celebration, weddings, babies, and holidays. So I'm just really appreciative that you guys took the time to watch my video and look at the fun, exciting card kits. So I look forward to next time, and keep in mind I also have bead kits for those of you who want to start making jewelry. And if you can't decide what art or craft that you want to do, just watch a few of my videos. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask and subscribe. Thank you, and have a happy day. Bye.